we want to show you Pringles chips we got from the USA. This Pringles edition is from the XTRA-ordinary flavor series. The flavor of this Pringles chips is Screamin Dill Pickle. There is a funny pickles jar on the packaging printed on, with some snorkeling goggles. Here we got the nutrition facts. Let us open the pack now. The Pringles chips look pretty plain. There is not much noticeable powder for the eyes. The chips are super crispy. They taste a bit sour and different than classic Pringles. You really can compare the flavor to some dill pickles. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.